Alright, the new Google Nest Doorbell, generation 3. You can see the mounting bolts. I 3D printed a wedge, and then I'll show you the new app. So here's our notification for the new Google. And Google front doorbell generation 3, and this is a much clearer view of anything that's happening versus our old. We had the Google Nest generation 1. The history is a lot more clear, and again, being able to view from the camera, it's really nice. Now I go down to the evening shots. I'm going to show you what I mean by the clarity. And it's clear, but it is sometimes a little bit more difficult to see.